Friends, you have seen many pets. There are many families in the world who keeps dogs as pets. Besides, we get to see many dogs in our area. But in today's video, you will see the most dangerous and powerful dogs in the world. So let's start without wasting time. Number 1. Dogo Argentino. Dogo Argentino is a powerful and muscular white dog breed from Argentina. If this dog is not socially trained, it can be a killing machine. This muscular dog is so aggressive that when it gets angry, it is out of the control of its owner. These dogs are not afraid of anything. They can harm the enemy. In addition, they have amazing power. They have so much energy that an adult dog has to be controlled by a chain. They are raised mostly as fighting, large hunting and guardian dogs. These dogs are very friendly inside the houses. If an unknown person tries to enter the house, they become a killing machine. According to trainers, these dogs are very intelligent and respect to their owners, but their owners also need to be confident and constant. Then these dogs will respect him. Even training such a dog is not for everyone. Number 2. Canary Dog. The dog Canario ranked 4th in the 1982 to 2014 report with 111 attacks, 46 against children, 41 against adults, with 18 resulting in deaths and 63 in permanent bodily injuries. This is a complex, powerful dog with special needs when it comes to ownership. According to Vet Street, the Presa is used as a cage dog, running off or killing strange dogs in countries with breed bans. This breed is often among those outlawed. Number 3. Cane Corso. At nearly 28 inches at the shoulder and often weighing more than 100 pounds, with a large head, alert expression and muscles rippling beneath their short, stiff coat, Corsi are at glance intimidating creatures. Their imposing appearance is their first line of defense against intruders. As one writer put it, an understated air of cool competence, the kind of demeanor you did expect from a professional bodyguard, is the breed's trademark. Corsi are intelligent, loyal, eager to please, versatile and intensely loyal to their humans, but are also assertive and willful, and can end up owning an unwitting owner. As with any other big guardian dog, responsible breeding and early socialization with people and other dogs is vital. Number 4. Tosa Inu. The Tosa is quietly affectionate with his own family but may be somewhat aloof with strangers. This breed is also by nature watchful of other dogs and may react aggressively to dogs it considers intruders. Overtly aggressive behavior towards humans is uncharacteristic of the breed. Their short dense coat can be found red, apricot, black or brindle, and they can also have white markings on their chest and feet. In addition, Tosas mature slowly and individually. Dogs may not reach their prime until as late as 4 years of age. This breed is the largest of all Japanese dogs breeds. They are also known as Tosa Can, Tosa Dog, Tosa Token, Tosa Inu, Japanese Fighting Dog and Japanese Mastiff. Number 5. Barbarian Boerboels. There is no frills, no nonsense quality to this sea-coated Avenger who might stand as high as 27 inches at the shoulder and weigh as much as you do. A broad and blocky head, powerful jaws and thick muscles from neck to rump mark it as descendant of the ancient Molossian dog family. The foundation of today's Mastiffs breeds in motion, the Boerboels just might be the most agile of all Mastiff types. The imposing Boerboels is devoted to protecting the people and places he loves. Training and socialization should begin early before a pup becomes a dominant adult. This is a trainable, versatile breed eager to spend time with their adored humans. Still, a Boerboel might be way too much dog for the novice owner to handle. Number 6. Fila Brasileiro. An extremely strong dog, the Fila Brasileiro, also known as Brazilian Mastiff, has the powerful and intimidating body of a mastiff with a large head of scent hound. They are native of Brazil, where they were originally bred to hunt down and capture any slaves that had escaped into the deep dark jungle. They were well suited to their task due to their versatility as well as the specific job. They were also used to fight off the local predators and to protect farmers, their livestock and their families. A breed that is incredibly wary of all strangers. They pose a real threat to the public when untrained, rarely kept as pets. They are known for high level of dog aggression and actually banned in many countries worldwide, as they are classed as dangerous dogs still popular today despite these bans as guard dogs. Number 7. American Pit Bull. Pit bulls are not inherently dangerous like any other dogs. They can become violent, aggressive, and mean through a lack of training, abuse, neglect, and irresponsible ownership and breeding, as well as lack of attention to health and temperament issues. If they are treated with respect and trained properly, pit bull will be less likely to exhibit negative traits. Just ask a loving pit bull adopter. Again, it is important to note that any dog can have aggression problems or display aggressive behavior. In fact, according to American Temperament Test Society, American Pit Bull Terriers, the most popular breed used in the dog fights, have a very high temperament passing rate of 82.6%. Even dogs commonly thought to be kind and gentle, and they are with the right care, like bearded collies and chihuahuas, scored lower than American Pit Bull Terriers. Number 8. Irish Wolfhound. The amiable Irish Wolfhound is an immense muscular hound gracefully built along classic greyhound lines, capable of great speed at the gallop. A male might stand nearly 3 feet at the shoulder and weigh up to 180 pounds. Females will run smaller but are still a whole lot of hounds. The rough hard coat comes in many colors, including white, grey, brindle red, black, and fawn. Irish Wolfhounds are too serene to be fierce guard dogs, but just sight of them is enough to deter intruders. Irish Wolfhounds are characteristically patient with kids, though animals their size should supervised around small chicken. Owning an Irish Wolfhound is a unique, rewarding experience, but acquiring a giant galloping hound is a commitment as big as the dog itself. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want the next part of it, write part 2 in the comment section, and see you in the next video later.